I just fell from here to there. To here down there.
You're going down?
I was going down, yeah.
Here. Is it off?
No. I want to take a shot from that stair there because I can see our apartment. You need to go upstairs in the veranda and I'll take a shot from you, okay? Sit in the patio. So this way everybody can see where we are.
Okay, let me go.
Go. Take him with you then.
No.
Can I go upstairs?
Yeah, you just wait. Right here.
Wait for mommy. Come on. Come on. Nikki, come here. Come with mommy, Nikki. Come on. We stay here with mommy. No, you're not going with daddy right now. Not right now. Wait for mommy. Wait. Let's go down. Come on. Down here. Let's go down here. No, Nikki, not yet. I says down. No. No. I'm not ready for you to let go. That's you are. Go inside. Nick wants to go in. See how he is? Come here. Open the door for Nicky. He wants to go. Go. Go see daddy. Go. Go see daddy. Go. Go see daddy. Go see daddy. Go. Upstairs. Come on. Nicky. He didn't go upstairs. Nicky! Upstairs. Go up the stairs. Call him, Carrie. He's there. He doesn't know how to go upstairs. Here, little ba. Ai, cachorro chato. He doesn't know. Here, monkey. Up. Up. You need to go upstairs. Here. That's when you need to go. Here. Go. 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 Go, daddy. Go in the patio. Here, kitty, 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 kitty. Here, kitty, 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 kitty. That's scary. He's gonna smoke a cigarette. Yeah. There's no way Carrie can quit the cigarettes. Ok, so this is where we live. Esse é o apartamento que nós moramos. Ok, tired, cansada. Agora me cansei, tá quente hoje.